I'm so tired of searching for free AI video tools. I need rest.
This is exactly what I needed.
I need a way to create unlimited AI videos for free.
Keep watching this video.
Google just quietly dropped something huge, and almost no one in the creator space is talking about it. We're not talking about some watered-down free trial. We're talking about a fully functional AI video tool, completely free, sitting right inside Google, and most creators are completely sleeping on it. It works on both mobile phones and computers. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to create unlimited videos. Whether you're a content creator trying to scale, an entrepreneur building a brand, or someone who's just getting started and doesn't want to spend a dime. This is the kind of thing people usually find out about 6 months too late. You're watching this now, so let's not waste any more time. Now, step 1 is to generate your image. You can do this using Google Whisk or Google Flow. Use either of them to create the exact image you want for your video. Once your image is ready, open your browser and search for Google VIDs. When the results appear, click on the one that says Google Veo AI Powered Video Creator and Editor. That is the correct tool. After clicking it, you will be taken to the main interface. Before you can use it, you need to sign up. Click on Sign Up and continue with your preferred Google account. Select the account you want to use and proceed. Now, once you are inside, you will be asked to choose your format. You will see options like landscape or portrait. For now, it might default to landscape, but always remember, if you are creating for TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, you should switch to 9:16. Also, make sure you select Veo 3.1. That is the exact version we are using in this tutorial. Now, before we start creating, let me quickly show you something. Inside this dashboard, you can do a lot more than just video generation. You can create AI avatars, generate music using Lyra 3, convert slides into videos, record your screen or camera, upload files from Google Drive, Photos, or your computer, use templates, and even build storyboards. Everything is built into one place, which makes the tool very flexible. Now, after that, move to the main workspace. Once the interface loads on your mobile phone, if it zooms in too much and you cannot see everything properly, especially if you are on mobile, don't panic. Tap the 3 dots in your browser, enable the desktop site, then go to the zoom option. From there, you can increase or reduce the zoom level until everything fits your screen. You can also use your fingers to zoom out manually. Just make sure the interface is clear and easy to navigate before you continue. Now, once everything is set, look towards the right-hand side. You will see an option called Create from Scratch. Click on that. This means you are starting your video from the beginning without using any template. You might see some inspiration prompts on the screen. If you want, you can copy those prompts and recreate them, but for this tutorial, we are creating our own. Next, you will see avatar and voice options. This avatar you are seeing can be used if you want to create a talking character video. You will notice that the voice you select affects how the video sounds and how viewers respond to it. So always choose a voice that fits your content style. You can preview different voices. Scroll down to see more options. Also note, it is not compulsory to use avatars. You can still create videos without them, especially if you are working with simple image-based scenes or single-character visuals. Now, the next step is to upload your image. Click on the Upload section and accept the permission by clicking Agree. Then select any image of your choice from your device and upload it. If you want, you can upload multiple images, not just one. Now, this is where everything comes together, your prompt. This is exactly what I used. At frame 1, the young man sits at the table looking tired and hungry, holding his stomach. Suddenly, a full plate of hot food appears in front of him on the table. His expression changes instantly to excitement. He quickly grabs a spoon and takes a bite. He smiles with relief and says, "This is exactly what I needed." Once your prompt is ready, click on Generate. But before that, make sure your aspect ratio is correct. In my case, I was supposed to use 9:16, but I mistakenly left it at 16:9 and it affected the output. so always double-check that before generating. Now, while the video is generating, do not leave the interface. Just wait. The process is fast, and within a few seconds, your video will be ready. Once it is done, click on the video to preview it. You will see the full generated scene with the dialogue and actions applied.
This is exactly what I needed. This is exactly what I needed. This is exactly what I needed.
If you want to download it, tap and hold on the video and the download option will appear. On desktop, you can right-click and download. Now, you can repeat the same process. Paste another prompt, click Generate again, and create another video. The tool is very fast, and you can generate multiple videos in a short time. Another important point is that this tool is free. You can generate as many videos as you want in a day. There is no strict limitation for most users. Each clip is usually around 8 seconds, and the quality is very clean, often close to 4K. If you click on your generated videos, you can preview all of them. You can see different scenes, different dialogues, and different styles depending on your prompts. You can continue generating as much as you want. If it ever slows down or stops, you can switch to another Gmail account and continue generating. At this point, you should already see how powerful this is. You can create multiple short clips, combine them later, and turn them into full videos. You do not need avatars. You can simply upload your image, type your prompt, and the system will automatically handle the voice and output. So go ahead, start generating, test different prompts, and build your content. The earlier you start using tools like this, the faster you grow compared to other creators who are not paying attention to this yet. If this helps you, make sure you like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share it with someone who needs it. Drop a comment on what you want to learn next. I will see you in the next one.